Students, today we will begin with third lesson, that is from tasting to digestion. I'll explain you this lesson. However, I'll be also giving you few questions to solve. So let us proceed with the explanation of the lesson. Different tastes. Here, as you can see in the picture, two sisters are there. One is Jhumpa and Jhulan. Jhumpa is the younger one who is wearing red frock, and Jhulan is elder sister. So one morning, mother cooked bitter gourd sabji, that is Karela, but Jhumpa, the younger one, she refused to eat Karela sabji, and she asked mother for jaggery and chapati. Jaggery means गुड़ और चपाती. She said मुझे करेले की सब्जी नहीं खाना है, मुझे गुड़ और चपाती दे दो. Mother replied, but in morning only you have eaten jaggery and chapati. Then don't you get bored of that? Jhulan, the elder sister, she said, क्या तुम्हें बोर नहीं होता? सेम टेस्ट आप बार बार खाते हो. Don't you get bored of that? Then Jhumpa Jhulan and Jhumpa, they planned a game. Jhulan told Jhumpa, the younger sister, to close her eyes with a cloth, and then one by one she tried to make Jhumpa taste food items. So initially she brought imli in near her mouth. Imli means tamarind. So Jhulan first brought imli near her mouth and she put in her on her tongue. Then very soon she identified the taste of imli. I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat karela, said Jhulan and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. दोनों आपस में बात करते हैं और झूलन द एल्डर सिस्टर शी सेड आई ऑल्सो लाइक इमली एंड आई लाइक टू ईट अदर फूड्स ऑल्सो. नाउ झूलन सेड टू झुम्पा, जो बड़ी सिस्टर थी उसने छोटे सिस्टर को कहा, लेट्स प्ले अ गेम. आई कवर योर आईज एंड आई पुट फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ some food item. So initially she put lemon in her mouth and Jhumpa could easily identify and she said it is sour lemon. Then Jhulan picked up some small pieces of jaggery, but she crushed it so that Jhumpa couldn't identify it. But then also she identified jaggery very easily. Then they played the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. So Jhumpa could identify the fried fish without even tasting it. This happens. We also are able to identify some food item just by smelling them. Now close your nose, said झूलन टू झुम्पा. एल्डर सिस्टर ने छोटी सिस्टर को कहा तुम अपनी नोज़ बंद करो एंड टेल मी व्हाट दिस इज़. अब उसने आइज वर ऑलरेडी क्लोज. नाउ शी टोल्ड हर टू क्लोज हर नोज ऑल्सो एंड शी पुट सम फूड आइटम इन हर माउथ. झुम्पा वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड. इट इज़ अ बिट बिटर, लिटिल सॉल्टी एंड समवॉट सोर. गिव मी वन मोर स्पूनफुल. झुम्पा बोली कि मुझे एक और स्पून दो, मैं खाऊंगी और बताऊंगी. तो आंखें तो कवर्ड थी, नोज़ वॉज ऑल्सो कवर्ड, बट उसको वो टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड शी सेड गिव मी मोर. एंड व्हेन फाइनली Jhulan opened her mouth, they laughed because it was the bitter gourd sabji which she refused to eat at the beginning. Here are a few questions we can also discuss. Jhulan's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. Now here is an activity where you students can write down the names of 5 food items in one column, and in front of that you can also write down its taste. Either it is sweet, sour, salty or bitter. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? क्या आपको एक ही तरह का टेस्ट पसंद है और क्यों? Next is Jhulan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Do you people also understand the taste of some food item with few drops only? So yes, we can definitely taste. Even 1 or 2 drops are sufficient sometime to identify. If someone were to put a few seeds of soft on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your closed eyes? Then my answer is definitely yes. And hopefully, if your eyes are also closed and if you are given soft seeds, you can definitely identify with its taste as well as smell. Isn't it true? Let us proceed. How did Jhumpa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things? Only by their smell, without seeing or tasting them. What are these things? So here also you may make a column, make a table. In one column you can write down the names of 5 food items, and opposite to next to that you can also write down the taste. The taste you can identify just by smelling it. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do so? This is an important question. Many a times we take bitter things or medicines with our closed nose so that we do not smell or do not get the taste of its bitterness. So you know why does it happen? It also happens when we have blocked nose during common cold, cough and cold. This is because as our mouth has ability to sense the taste, our nose also has an ability to sense the smell. So if our nose is blocked, if we cover our nose, the sense of smell doesn't reach our brain. And have you noticed some bumps on our tongue? Small bumps, छोटे छोटे दाने जैसे होते हैं हमारे टंग के ऊपर. So those are taste buds. Those are taste buds. We can sense different tastes like salty, sweet, sour and bitter. At the tip of the tongue we can we can sense these salty things, whereas at the middle part, the corner of the middle part, we can sense the sweet and sour things, whereas at the end, at the middle end of the tongue, we can sense the bitter food. So these taste buds are very helpful in sensing the taste, whereas nose plays an important role to sense the smell of the food. As we keep on chewing, the smell reaches our nose and from nose to brain. Now here is few activity that you can perform at home. Taking some food item, you can put a small part on your tip of the tongue, your left side, your right side, your middle end, and at the end of the inner end of your tongue, and you can mark out this type of taste associated with that food item. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया है कि which type of taste is associated with different parts of the tongue. I'll also provide a diagram which shows different parts that identify different taste. So here we end up with a small first part of this video. The later part of this lesson will continue in next video. Thank you.